This video/stream is sponsored by Trader Central. Trader Central provides funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like copy trade software, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusive for communicating with trader friends. Sign up now using the link in the description and get up to 30% off on your first plan.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? Hope you had a great week this past week, as the market gave us plenty of opportunities to capitalize on. In this video, I want to talk about my analysis for gold, and as usual, I'll start up with the weekly time frame and work my way down to the 4-hour or hourly time frame. Now, on the weekly time frame, we can see that price has continued its bullish run and broken through this previous resistance level and then continue to the upside as well. And I am expecting price to continue all the way to the 1790 area, which is what I mentioned in the past week as well. And we can see price going towards that direction. And of course, when price gets to this area here, there's a possibility that price could fall back down into this area here, which is more or less a support level now, before either continue that up move, breaking this again and then retesting and then continue all the way to the upside, or price may just fall from that 1790 level all the way back down to this area, but which for me it's less likely. I believe that price will continue this bullish move to the upside. I'm breaking resistance here at 1790. um if we go down to the daily time frame, we can see that the bullish continuation that I mentioned, and you can see me plotting this as well. This is one of the trades that I predicted in the midweek. I said that price was going to break out of this triangular pattern and then break this resistance area here and continue to the upside, which what we've seen. Fortunately, I was able to capitalize on this trade down here, currently around 600 pips in profit, and we're aiming for around 900 pips in profit in total. So at the moment, this is what we're seeing, price heading towards resistance at the 19 at the 1790 area, so which is where I'm expecting price to get to. And when price gets there, then we'll see how price reacts to that area, if price breaks it or if price bounces to the downside. Okay, so if price continues up there, if price breaks this area, then fine, we'll take our profit and see how price reacts. That price bounces back to the downside, or price breaks this further up, retest, and then continues the up move as I mentioned earlier. All right. Um Again, so this is just briefly what I mentioned in the past week, this triangular pattern with price breaking it and going to the upside, and that is exactly how price played out. Now if we go all the way to the let's say the weekly time frame, we can see that we can easily plot a trend line, and we can see that price is approaching that trend line as well. So you can see from this high level here all the way down, connecting the wicks. Okay, so we can see that price is currently heading towards the trend line, which also coincides with this resistance area here. So let's take it down a notch to the daily time frame again. So again, on the daily time frame, we can see as well price touching those areas there. So 1, 2, 3, and then we can see price heading to that was that area, and then resistance. So like I said, I'm expecting price to get up the way up here to the trend line. So price may either bounce off this trend line to the downside, or price may end up breaking it to the upside, coming back down to retest it and then continuing its up move. And if that happens, we're going to calculate it. So if you're not already in this buy trade here, then wait until price gets to this resistance level around this 1790 area before reacting. And if you are in this trade, then when price gets here, then you should be looking to take your profits and then look for more trading opportunities as well. And the same thing goes for if you're trading the hourly time frame or the 15 minutes time frame. Um, If we're trading the smaller time frame, like the 15 minutes time frame, then this area here would be like a perfect area to enter because you can see it's more or less a resistance area with price coming up there, bouncing off that area, came up to test it again, and up there to test it, and then you can see price going there again. So let's see if price still breaks down to that area again, all the way back down here before going up, or price breaks it to the upside, and then you can enter your buy trade on the retest and then taking the trade all the way to the top. This applies for people who are day traders, but for us who are swing traders, we look at the 4 hour time frame, and then we will be expecting price to get to the 1970 area where we'll be looking for price reactions. So this has basically been my analysis for gold for the upcoming week. I hope you found this video very helpful. If you have, kindly leave a like, and if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe to the channel for more analysis videos. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great week ahead. Peace.
I can't forget the day we met. Your